Well, welcome back. This week was gravel bike week, I guess. Got the bike going again. I had rode it since like November, and the rear tire was flat and off the bead. I spent a lot of time Sunday getting it aired up again on the bead. Like, I got an hour and a half ride in, but I had to stop and air it up twice. Went to bike surgeon Monday and got a new tire and some sealant. Proceeded to put it on when I got home from work, but I got the tire right on the wheel, but it wouldn't seal again. It wouldn't pop on the bead, so I fought with it for quite a while. Finally heated the whole thing up because it was cold. Got it on there, got it sealed. And I cleaned the chain. Once I go put the chain back on, I popped the chain, get it on the sprocket, the chain ring, and did that. Made a bloody mess on the floor, but I got it going. But by the time I got that done, it was too late to go riding. It was already after dark. So anyways, jump ahead to the weekend. Rusty and I went out to Sahara Woods Park and rode around there. There's like a 5-mile loop on a kind of oil and chip road, and there's hiking trails out there and some gravel roads you can ride up and down. It's a pretty nice place. I like it a lot. There's kayaking, people go kayaking out there. It's just a really nice place, so you might want to check it out sometime if you ever get a chance. It's near Carrier Mills. And so it's about a 5-mile loop around. And we made like 4 loops and got a little over 20 miles. It was nice riding. All right, well, here it is. So thanks. See you later.